Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show that brings you the best press release out of the small cap world every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investment. Now, it's Friday, December the 21st. Quite frankly, I thought I was going to come on here, wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, and call it a day. But in fact, we've got 3 great press releases for you from both sides of the border, 2 from the venture, 1 a repeat performance from the OTC. So let's get straight to it. First up, Norout Resources trades on the venture exchange under the stock symbol NOT. This company is no stranger to anybody in the resources space, and as you know, they're an AGORACOM client. They've pretty much been the talk of the town this year. They announced assays that continue to return high-grade mineralization. This is from their 100% Double Eagle project in McFalls Lake that's got a lot of attention due to several area plays. Let's get to the numbers. Hole number 17 had 81 meters, averaging 0.77% copper, 1.55% nickel, 0.91 grams per ton of platinum, 2.9 grams per ton of palladium, 0.13 grams per ton of gold, and 3.1 grams per ton of silver. That's high-grade mineralization. Over at hole number 18, a 59-meter zone of net textured sulfides, averaging 0.93% copper, 1.84% nickel, 1.28 grams per ton of platinum, 3.15 grams per ton of palladium, 0.45 grams per ton of gold, and 3.95 grams per ton of silver. That's a lot of high-grade mineralization. They've got a ton of other data in there. Go take a look at that press release. The company closed yesterday at $3.95. Moving on to Andean American Mining, also on the venture, on the stock symbol AAG. They intersected big numbers as well. 8.09 meters grading, 7.19 grams per ton of gold, 196.2 grams per ton of silver, and 0.95% copper. That's at their Invicta project in Peru. A little bit about that project. They've got a current resource estimate in the indicated categories, about 4.7 million tons, grading 2.73 grams per ton of gold, 18.3 grams per ton of silver, and 0.45% copper. On the inferred side, they've got about 6 million tons, grading 1.44 grams per ton of gold, 15.7 grams per ton of silver, and 0.53% copper. Trading right now at 59 cents off a high of 91 cents, but maybe this is the kind of news that the market's been looking for. Go take a closer look at Andean. And finally, Megadata trades on the OTC under the stock symbol MDTA. They're making another repeat performance here, but with this kind of news, how can they not? Newark Liberty International Airport has signed a contract with them for their passive radar suite of operational tools. Let's talk a little bit about that for a second. This passive network allows airports to achieve high cost savings and operational efficiencies. It's best summarized here by Jim Barry, who's the president and CEO of the company, in his quote. Newark Liberty International came to us with the challenge of consolidating all their visual flight following real-time airspace analysis and operational situational awareness into one platform. We're pleased they chose the Passeur to help manage one of the most complex and critical pieces of the nation's aviation infrastructure. That gives you an idea of just how serious this contract is. A little more about Megadata and the success they've had so far and why we've been reporting on them. Right now, there's a growing international network of passive radars located at more than 85 airports worldwide, including 33 of the top U.S. 35 airports. So great company, great press release to end off the holiday season. They traded yesterday at $3.50. That's in the that seems to be in the mid-trading range of low 220, high 450. So Megadata is obviously doing very, very well. As always, if you want to take a closer look at these press releases, come to our blog or just replay the show. However, my advice to you, we're coming into Christmas/holiday season, so take this weekend, enjoy the time with your family. Thanks for tuning in and viewing the AGORACOM Small Cap TV show. We're going to be back on December the 27th. We're closed on the 24th, 25th, and 26th. Until then, have a safe, merry, great holiday to you and all your families. See you then. Have a great day.